In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image block in Notion. Whether you're brand new to Notion or just looking to polish your workflow, I'll walk you through a simple, reliable way to add images to your pages. We'll start right inside your workspace. Open the page where you want the image to appear. If you're organizing a document, a project plan, or a gallery, place your cursor exactly where the image should go so it drops in the right spot. Make sure you have editing access to the page. If you can type on it, you're good to go. Next, let's invoke the block menu. On a new line, hover your mouse in the left margin until you see a small plus icon. Click that, and a menu of block types will appear. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, type /, then the word image, and press enter. Either method will insert an image block placeholder and prompt you to choose where the image should come from. Now, pick your source. If you already have the file on your computer, choose Upload. This opens your file picker so you can select a JPG, PNG, or GIF. PNGs are great for sharp graphics or logos. JPGs are perfect for photos, and GIFs can add a touch of motion when needed. After you select the file, Notion will upload it and place it on the page. If your image is large, give it a moment to finish. If your image is hosted online, choose Embed Link. Paste a direct URL to the image itself, ideally one that ends in .jpg, .png, or .gf. Direct links work best because Notion needs to access the actual file, not just a web page that contains it. If the image doesn't load, double-check that the link is public and secure. Finally, you can use Unsplash, which is built right into Notion. Click Unsplash to open a search field. Type a keyword, like mountains, teamwork, or abstract, and browse high-quality, free-to-use images. Click the one you like, and Notion will insert it instantly. This is a great option when you need a clean visual fast without leaving your workspace. That's all there is to it. Open your page, insert the image block from the plus menu or with the / command, and choose Upload, Embed Link, or Unsplash based on what you have and what you need. Keep your image choices relevant and use clear, high-resolution files for the best results. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments. Whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.